I'm Ariel with Arielpaints, and I'm back with another quick tip for you. This tip is going to be about double dipped flowers. So if you guys do double dip flowers like me, I love double dip flowers. I think they add a lot to designs. But towards the middle or end of your gig, you notice that all your paint has like a milky white film on it, kind of like this right here, because you are getting the white loaded on the floor or 8-inch round brush, whatever you're using, and then you're going into all of your different potted paint and getting that secondary color on. So then by the end of the gig, or even in the middle of your gig, you're having to clean your paint. Well, that was me, and I got really annoyed doing it. So finally I thought, oh my gosh, I'm gonna make a pinwheel of paint with some of my favorite colors to use when I'm double dipping, and that way I'm just contaminating this and not my entire kit. And it's worked out really well for me, so I wanted to share it with you guys. All I did was take little triangles. It's not a lot of paint. I basically just cut kind of the corner. So if this is one of my potted paints, I just cut kind of a triangular corner out of a bunch of my different colors that I liked to use to double dip. I put them in an extra paint lid, and now when I'm double dipping flowers, I contaminate this and not my entire kit. And it's so much easier at the end of a gig or even in the middle of a gig just to go in and clean off kind of the milky white film that gets left when you are loading double dipped flowers. And then I have a nice clean pinwheel to do it all over again the next day. So it's a tip that I really like because it worked really, really well for me. And I've been doing this, I don't know, well over a year now, at least. And you don't need a lot of paint to do it. You don't need a lot of other supplies. You can use what you already have, recycle a lid, and make yourself a pinwheel so that you can double dip flowers and stop contaminating the rest of your paint. I hope you guys like this tip. Please like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Facebook for more tips, and I will see you guys in my next video.